We're day 2 on the floor of PDAC, and I have Guy Bourassa from Scandium Canada. Guy, congratulations, you just had some breaking news.
Absolutely. I'm just out of a signing ceremony with the Minister Hutchins of Natural Resource Canada, we signed a contribution agreement for a grant under the GPI program and $6.9 million to accelerate the development of our aluminum-scandium alloys and complete the bulk sampling for the feasibility study with all of the metallurgy. It's very interesting because it confirms the value of our intelligence, value of our alloys and the patent pending that we have, and also our capacity to be partnering around the globe for the benefit of Canada, obviously.
And of course, I just want to, point out to our audience, it's the federal government now too, putting kind of a stamp of, we love you.
Absolutely, absolutely. At some point, they kind of realized that there's only one new scandium primary source in North America. It's in Quebec, Canada, and they have the capacity to speed up its development and bring to the aluminum ecosystem in Quebec and Canada a value added so that we can be a leader in the world as far as aluminum and alloys are concerned.
And of course, some of these alloys, of course, are needed during wartime. Yes. So regrettably, what's negative for a lot of the plant is actually very positive for Scandium Canada. Have you noticed an increase in interest in people looking at Scandium Canada recently?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. We see forums and sub-forums specifically on Scandium Canada, some more wider on Scandium, but definitively a lot of eyes are now focusing on Scandium Canada.
And I hate to do this to you, but I'm going to have you explain to our audience your technology. Because your technology, I was trying to explain it to actually an investor the other day. I said, you wouldn't believe the Scandium Canada. But the wire aspect of the technology, would you mind going through that for our audience?
Well, just as a reminder, we developed since 2022 new aluminum-scandium alloys amenable for 3D printing. Initially, it was laser bed fusion. So powders, you had to put your ingots, your alloys in an ingot, then pulverize it, make specific particle size to print in a 3D printer machine. Now we've evolved to say, okay, advanced manufacturing can also benefit from welding wires so that you're able to use other type of machines to do advanced manufacturing. So we're currently in the process of demonstrating that with potential clients. And it's a breakthrough. It's a very, very major breakthrough for aluminum-scandium alloys for the benefit of our alloys do not generate micro cracks when they cool down after fusion or welding. That means that they can be used in the primary structural parts of something like an airplane. That does not exist currently. So that's a major, major market that we're entering into and that we want Canada to benefit.
And of course, for those of you out there going Scandium, Scandium is actually a rare earth element. Some people put it in the rare earths category. Some people say 15 rare earths and Scandium.
And Scandium, yep.
Yep. So can you tell me a little bit more about what's happening with Scandium Canada?
Well, two things. We're in parallel developing our alloys division. So we're advancing separate from the mining project. The mining project currently, we're planning a drilling campaign this summer to obtain much more material to do a large bulk sample for the feasibility study of the project. In the meantime, we're also working to complete a pre-feasibility study by the summer of 2026. So moving the two things separately, independently, and we definitely are certain that the division of the alloys is going to be making commercial sales way ahead of the mine starting the production.
So what are you here for PDAC for? Obviously to win awards. What else are you doing at PDAC? What's your goal and objective here?
Well, this year my main objective is the links with the different governments. Quebec government, federal government, First Nation meetings, so that we can concentrate on how we're going to be building, not us, but the First Nation, an access road to their territory that would give us an access to the mine, from the mine to Schefferville. So, meeting all these people, and they happen to be all at the same place for a couple of days. So you try to squeeze yourself in and benefit from that.
Okay, what about end user agreements?
We have, as far as the alloys are concerned, we have a couple of very interesting, our agreement with the the federal government for the grant is based on the MOU signed in November with Granges Metal in Germany. That's very, very unique. We have 3-4 others that we cannot disclose, but that are waiting for our new material to be provided to them, so that they can test and confirm the specifications and that it is met by our product. So we're moving in the right direction on a number of fronts, for powders and for the welding wires. So stay tuned, it's going to be interesting.
And of course, you've been putting out milestones regularly, news releases, couple a month. What should shareholders be looking forward to in the next quarter or two?
The 2 quarters, you're going to see the pre-feasibility study report, obviously. You're going to be seeing us and reading results of drilling campaign that's going to be undertaken during the summer. Quite extensive. But I believe before that, we will be releasing news and development on the alloys, the partnerships, the results of testing by third parties. It's very amazing, very amazing. I just want to remind people, Granges, we received a cold email from them after we released simple press release saying, our alloys do achieve this, this, and this. Granges, we didn't know about them. They emailed to info@Scandium Canada. Oh, by the way, guys, we just read your press release. If what you write in that press release is confirmed, we definitively want to be working with you. Do you want to give us a call? We called them. 2 weeks later, we had a MOU signed with them. It just confirms that third parties that know what they're talking about in the scandium and alloys world, they know what it means, the quality of what we've developed up to now. So we like working with people like this.
So that takes us back to Scandium Canada's deposit and the competitiveness of it. Can you just hit on some of the high points on why Scandium Canada's scandium is so intriguing for companies like this to read about it and then call you rapidly?
Yeah, obviously we can talk all day long about alloys, but the basis of everything that we started is the discovery of the Crater Lake project and the development of 1 of 5 identified zones within a 14-kilometer strike on our claims. So currently we own resources of that could be transferred in reserves for about 40 years mine life. That TG deposit is still open in all directions. That's 1 of 5 that have been identified. There's no resource on the others, but the capacity to become a century-long mining operation, to be the basis for long-term safe supply for the aerospace industry, for the car industry, anybody that needs long-term safe supply of scandium. There's not a lot of places around the world, and there's only 1 primary deposit that is being worked at. It's the Crater Lake project.
So you heard it here on Stage 1, Day 2 at PDAC. Guy Bourassa from Scandium Canada. Do your due diligence, go to their website and learn more at the following site. Thank you so much, Guy.
It was my pleasure again.